Alright, hello and welcome back, guys. What's up, boys? So, second video today because I did the questionnaire and we did the SR redraw, but I haven't done the weekly recap. We're going into the new market now, so we're gonna have to discuss that as well. We also always do the weekly recap, just like we do the fucking monthly recap. Well, my fucking phone is calling. Hold up. Fuck's sake. Oh, Jesus. I'm sorry about that. Oh, fuck it. Someone's calling me. Alright, anyways. Fuck, that was distracting. Shit. So, regarding the weekly recap. Regarding the weekly recap. We have had a trend that I've discussed and I went more into length on with the monthly recap, and that is the, let me fix the computer sound, I forgot about that. There we go. Regarding the switch over from a purely based breakout market, which was really good for its time, but we're no longer seeing those headline risks that we are seeing, or that we used to see with the wars, with the, traditional war, Trump threatening to fucking invade Venezuela. We're seeing a little bit less of it, and the market is kind of saturating for his threats. The trade wars are being priced in as much as they can, and the tariffs in general. So they've got this cool thing on Bloomberg. I don't pay for Bloomberg. I don't pay for shit if I don't have to. But these tariffs right here, it's gonna clap me with the pay now shit soon. There we go. But these tariffs right here on the whole world have been priced in pretty well. So additional tariffs aren't really creating that breakout effect. And we have seen the market tone down quite a bit. I won't be looking for setups in this video, but if you're in this trade, good luck. I mean, it's looking whatever. It's not one I'm in. It's not one I'm interested in either. The silver one is not as interesting, I would say, as gold potentially is. For gold, I could see we should have had the continuation here, but I can see a new one coming soon. I'm expecting it to range here. We'll see on either trade. Either pair. But for now, gold is the interesting one where I'm looking for a continuation. I've held these as far potentials for a while, so we'll see how these go into the week. Beyond that, I am really just expecting what we saw last week. So I'm up 7.9% for the month, and last week I went up. Let me see. I believe it was 2.9%. Yeah, 2.9%. That was really good for a week. And it was a clean 50-50 with the classic reversals and breakouts. But the breakouts did give, like they usually do, a better R. And they did have a higher win rate overall. I can see that. Yeah. But, anyways, at 7.9%, I'm almost at my monthly limit. And we've still got 2 weeks to go, so... And that's my monthly limit. If I hit fucking 5%, I'm good, bro. I don't care. Yeah, so that doesn't really matter. But expect the continuation. That's what I'm doing. You can choose not to, but again, what I'm expecting is the continual market to be more steadfast in its classic reversal manner. We're seeing that just on the pairs as well. They're not opening up as explosively. The ranges are not as explosive as we saw before. These breakouts are not as insane. This is a while ago now. This is the week, you can see. Because we're on the 1 day, right? If this is the first time you're watching these videos, we trade on the 1 day time frame, swing trading. Sometimes enter on the 12-hour and at times on the 8-hour. That's the very lowest, but usually on the 1 day, those are the best setups. So there you go for that. But this is the week, and you can see things have been a lot tamer, a lot more compared to what we saw. This was a really good trade. This was an outliner, but compared to what we saw previously, these ranges have been more accustomed to what we will be seeing in continuations. Because I think this is video 110, yeah, 110 fucking videos, and we haven't done, I don't think, more than like 2 continuations or something like that. It has been a clean breakout market these months, clean. So much so that I've just focused on them and just hit 10%, 10%, 10%, 10%, 10%, like the first fucking week. So it has been clean as shit. But it'll be quite exciting to get back into classic reversals. I actually like trading those more, because when we're doing breakouts, we have to watch the trades so much. You have to really sit there and be a trader. When you enter a classic reversal in a range like this, I mean, if you entered here, I mean, this is not valid. No, it's not valid. But if you entered this range here, oh, what the fuck, man, piece of shit. If you enter this range here, it's you can check it once a day, twice a day, and if you're running a dynamic sell loss, you're not gonna blow your account. You see this pair right here is already looking interesting. This could be a reversal we're seeing, but this is a pretty obvious. Let me see. Yeah, CT classic reversal. So we do 1-5-hour entry on those, and has already broken down. It wouldn't, yeah, I wouldn't trust it going below here. But yeah, anyways, that's the message for the week. Can expect to see the trend that we keep seeing, because I mean, it is just logical. We're seeing the same fucking shit. It is the same fucking shit that's moving the market side. It's tariffs and war. I've said it before many times. Tariffs and war. And when it's just the same shit, people get more and more accustomed to it. Unless there's something new that happens. I don't know. Maybe fucking war breaks out. Maybe a war stops. Maybe the Russian-Ukrainian war stops. I don't know. I mean, that's probably not going to stop. But, I mean, it's more likely that one starts. I don't know. Trump fucking decides to invade Iran or bomb them more. That kind of stuff scares people. But so I can't predict that. I can only see the pattern we're in right now. And that's what I'm telling you guys. And yeah, I'm sorry that I uploaded the weekly recap pretty late. I know you guys like getting them. And I know, especially one motherfucker. You know who I'm talking. You know I'm talking to you right now. You like the weekly recaps over the fucking monthly ones, even though the monthly ones are more important, motherfucker. We're fucking swing traders. Like, bro, a trade can take a week. How do you recap then? If we get one trade in a week, it takes a week. Anyways, that's all I got for now. Thanks a lot for watching. If you got any fucking questions, you can leave a comment on YouTube. I always answer comments. Also, you can hop in the Discord. It's not some bullshit ass for sale Discord. When was the last time you attended a Diddy party? I'm at one right now. Fuck you. See, it's a pretty funny Discord. It's a good group of guys. Hop in. Nothing's for sale, nothing like that. And that's all I've got to say. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.